Welcome to your sprawling, all-brick exterior, mid-century modern style one-level home. Over 2,000 square feet on the main floor. Sellers have made over $130,000 in improvements to the home, including all main level windows and sliding glass door, furnace with iWave air cleaner, whole house humidifier, AC, new washer and dryer, countertops, paint throughout home, and the completion of a 20x 13.5 bedroom and lower level. The lower level also boasts an additional full kitchen, living room, den, 3/4 bathroom and a storage room so large it has its own closet. Great option for multi-generational living. Tub and main bath and shower in primary bedroom bath are new. Garage easily fits 2 cars plus space for lots of toys and other equipment, and you have a shed in the backyard for additional storage. On top of that, you have an extra concrete parking pad on the side of the garage. Note, the basement is 2 concrete blocks deeper than standard basement for taller ceilings. Welcome home.